As Fitbit Air launches next week, there's already competition from a new rival, the Luna Band. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The Fitbit Air is kicking off as a screenless fitness tracker. It's by no means the first, as Whoop is already popular among athletes for many years, but Google's new band is pushing the device into the mainstream. Meanwhile, the Luna Band was initially shown off at CES back in January, but it's now fully official from that early prototype, with an upgraded design and functionality. Coming after Luna Ring Gen 2, the screenless fitness tracker is described as a calendar for your body, built to keep you in peak state. It takes a slightly different approach to the Fitbit and Whoop as a voice-first wearable. Combined with LifeOS intelligence engine, Luna Band is designed to plan your day around your body. Through the sensors on the band, LifeOS continuously monitors your body and connects to other data sources such as blood markers, medical context, and food habits. You can log meals, symptoms, and moments using your voice without even opening the app. Remember, there's no microphone on the band itself, so you have to speak into your phone. The Luna Band also works with Android phones, but without the voice functionality. Luna also says the app comes with lots of micro apps for training, stress, and productivity. Plus, you can make your own health modules based on your needs. The Luna Band will also track your sleep and fertility, but the company hasn't given an exact price yet, but it is likely to be around $149. The good part is, unlike Whoop and Google Health Premium, there's no subscription fee. The Luna Band has a release date of end of July 2026, and the company says Drop 1 is invite only. You can join the waitlist from today if you want to buy one. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.